2019 Ram 1500 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. What is it?
It's a Hemi.
It's a Hemi. We got stock converters there and there. Then 3-inch pipe all the way back after wires into a single there. All the way into a FLOWMASTER 40 series. Into mandrel bent 2 1/4 tailpipes. This is the FLOWMASTER number 430402. There'll be a link in the description for it if you guys want to purchase it. Mandrel bent tailpipes into 4-inch angle cut tips. There and there. Look at that pretty thing. I think it's pretty. Let me know if you guys like it, because I like it. It's party. Look at that. Party. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. And smash that subscribe and like button after you hear it. Much better. Again. 81 before. 99, almost 100 sound decibels. Go ahead and back it out. That 40 series never disappoints, man. They always sound good on those. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dog.